P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where is it that?
And that's it. Carlin next. I think this could be a masterstroke by Carlin, bringing this back. Oh, it beats the bollocks of Carlin original.
Safe. Don't touch anything. And certainly not Mrs. Villiers, because her old man owned this block of flats we serviced. Hello? Window cleaner.
Please?
Windows.
Ah, Mrs. Villiers instructed me to let you do it.
Oh, did she know?
Please?
Oh, that's up to Mrs. Villiers.
Oh, it's no matter. She isn't home.
Like Jack, vocal captains, but Jack as a captain in the way he does things, in his intent, he's always looking to push this Swiss side in and out of possession. You see that in possession, he's making it happen, he's going to get the ball out of possession. He's the one that's jumped in to go and close the ball down and win it back for his side.
And Rodriguez making the run inside, and Doyle won't quite reach it, put behind though for Switzerland. Into the penalty area.
Big opportunity with
The first half of challenge. It's not a good pass. Ready to Zakaria, nobody knows it. Fernandez. Fernandez. Flow of the game was with Switzerland.
Lautaro Martinez, who's no slouch either.
She must have been in that shit house 5 times or scratching it. Every time I went to, there was nothing there.
So since he made that change,
I sorted it out, within 2 seconds. After about 5 hours, I went, for fuck's sake! He's back in again.
made that save from Messi. Late on. The effort from Dzeko. I wonder when I heard them having, when we saw them having the discussion before extra time, their game plan, do you think part of that is just getting Granit Xhaka to shoot?
Yeah, it works, but it's Snapchat. This is old speckled hen. Which I haven't had for some time. P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.